Okay, welcome to Subway Energy Academy, the training section of Subway Energy Limited. We are in Solar Installation 101, and in Solar Installation 101, we are going to give you the needed foundation. We are at the foundation laying now, so that as you mature in the industry, you'll be able to communicate effectively as a professional. So, in the course of this training, we'll introduce you to solar energy, and we will take a closer look at some terminologies that will enable you communicate effectively in the industry. If we talk about solar array, what do we mean by solar array? How does it affect our own communication in the industry? If we talk about the string diagram, what do we actually mean by the string diagram? This and other things are what we will consider when it comes to the introductory aspects of what renewable energy is. After that, we will take a closer look at the components of any photovoltaic system, what they are used for, and how they affect our solar installation. That will be handled during components of photovoltaic system. After that, we'll take a closer look at photovoltaic system types. We have been hearing of so many failed solar system installation. One of the reasons we are having failed installation is basically the inability of some professionals to differentiate the different types of photovoltaic system that we have in the industry, because a careful understanding of each of the photovoltaic system type will give you an information, will give you the needed information as to how to design a particular solar system information. And if you fail it here, there is no way your solar system installation will stand the test of time. So we will take a closer look at the different photovoltaic system types that we have in the solar industry. After that, we'll talk about power generation. It must not be solar energy, but we will tell you why, the reasons, the advantages, and the disadvantages that the solar energy have over other methods of generating power. And when we are through with that, we'll take a closer look at energy management opportunities. As a professional or as an end user, there are ways that you can cut costs on your solar system installation. There are ways you can prolong the life of your installation. That is how long your solar system can serve you. This we will handle in solar installation 101 under energy management opportunities. After that, we will take a closer look at solar system failure. Well, we are having failed solar installation here and there, but the reason is just because some people have omitted, or they have ignored the nitty-gritty, the secrets, the information that they are supposed to incorporate or follow when they are doing solar system design, installation, and maintenance. So we will tell you why your solar system is failing and remedies to solar system failures. We will talk about power audit in detail, because without a careful understanding of power audit and how it affects your solar system design and installation, there is no way your solar system installation will stand the test of time. So power audit is a very elaborate concept when we are talking about the solar industry. After that, we will talk about electrical loads. When you are designing any solar system installation, what you are going after is the electrical load. So we talk about the capacitive loads, we talk about the phantom loads, we talk about the critical loads, we talk about the inductive loads and other types of loads, and we will tell you how each of these loads affects the solar system design, installation, and maintenance when you are embarking on any system installation. So that we will handle during the course of our talking about electrical loads. Then we'll talk about electrical load ratings. How are electrical loads rated? And basically, it's not about the size of the load, it's about the rating. So we talk about electrical load ratings. And we will talk about the roof. The roof is an integral part of any solar system installation. The roof, the size of the roof affects the size of any solar system installation that you are doing. So we will expose you to the roof and how it affects the size of any solar system installation. Why do you get this training? What will be the benefit? What are you going to gain? What do you stand to gain after you get our certificate and our training? That we will consider during opportunities in the solar industry. And we will talk about solar entrepreneur. One, how you can profit from this knowledge, how you can monetize this knowledge. We are not that company that only train you. We will show you how to make money from this knowledge. That is the paramount thing. It's not about the knowledge. It's about, can this knowledge put food on your table? That we will consider in Solar Entrepreneur 1. The business opportunities that you have when you are a professional or when you finish with our academy. Then we will talk about solar system design. How do you design the different components? That we will still discuss in Solar Installation 101. Well, this is the best academy that you can trust. We give you value. A trial will always convince you. Subway Energy Academy, training men for a changing world. Welcome.